Hello dear traders, I'm Maria Staradop and this is the review of crypto analytics from fx.co. It's the 19th of January today, Friday, and the flagship cryptocurrency is approaching the end of this trading week in a state of uncertainty. And today we will discuss is Bitcoin's trend changing and could it fall below $40,000? And we have an article today by Artem Petrenko. As of yesterday, the asset failed to recover above $43,000 after a sharp collapse following the approval of the spot Bitcoin ETF. Their cryptocurrency was consolidating near the 42,500 level, but any attempts to resume the uptrend end in a pullback. Simultaneously, sellers are intensifying pressure on the cryptocurrency's quotes, which may lead to further price decreases. The news background also remains uncertain. Geopolitical and macroeconomic risks are strengthening the position of the US dollar, creating additional pressure on the Bitcoin quotes. Overall, there is a situation where there are more reasons for further decline of Bitcoin than for consolidation or, moreover, resumption of the uptrend. However, to develop a long-term strategy, it's important to determine whether the Bitcoin price decrease can be considered a full-fledged change in trend. So is Bitcoin's trend changing? Let's discuss. After the approval of Bitcoin ETF last week, Bitcoin made an upward surge and updated the local high at 48,900. Subsequently, the cryptocurrency faced a significant collapse to $41,000 amid substantial activation of sellers, and much of this process was conditioned by the fact that more than 90% of addresses were in profit, so portfolio unloading and further consolidation were inevitable. As of yesterday, Bitcoin had recovered above 42,500 and firmly established itself at this position. The key support level of 40,500 also remains untouched, so there is no talk of a change in trend. This consolidation level is a key support for the movement to 48,900. And its maintenance indicates relatively strong buyer positions above $40,000. Analysts at Fidelity share a similar view, noting that the current price drop is a short-term phenomenon associated with the approval of Bitcoin ETF. So could Bitcoin fall below $40,000? As of yesterday, this possibility exists, but it is minimal. Sellers tried to enter the support zone of 40,500 to 800, but no avail, and this support zone was the main accumulation cluster for bulls before the move to 48,900, so a smooth breakthrough of it seems unlikely. Considering that the market is currently quite related to a period of consolidation and uncertainty regarding the Fed's policy, a spike in volatility in crypto markets should not be expected. And Bitcoin is under pressure from sellers who continue to unload portfolios. Geopolitical instability strengthens the US dollar index, putting pressure on cryptocurrencies quotes. In total, the current decrease and stagnation of Bitcoin are related to the coincidence of several factors that have provoked a local lull and pause in the market. And there is no talk of a global trend change so far, but the possibility of breaking the $40,000 remains. At the same time, Bitcoin ETF bears first fruit, and the trading volumes of spot Bitcoin ETFs have reached the 10 billion mark which will positively affect the capitalization of the crypto market in the medium term. For now, investors are following the rule by the rumor, sell the news. Given the scale and period of accumulation, it's clear that portfolio unloading will also take time. However, alongside this, major funds and other institutional investors are investing in Bitcoin through ETFs. ProShares has filed applications for registration of 5 new Bitcoin ETFs, including a leveraged product, which could further increase trading volumes in Bitcoin market. Another Bitcoin ETF issuer, BlackRock, announced that it continues to buy Bitcoins, including to back the spot Bitcoin ETF. And company representatives stated that the investment giant's balance sheet includes about 16,000 Bitcoin, totaling over $700 million. So making a conclusion, Artem says that inertial uploading of portfolios by large and short-term investors following the approval of spot Bitcoin ETF, along with macroeconomic and geopolitical tensions, has led to a local lull in the Bitcoin market. And as of yesterday, there is a large-scale process of consolidation and capital redistribution in Bitcoin market. It's quite possible that as this is part of this process, the price will break the 40,000 level, which will prolong the consolidation process and may lead to deeper correction. However, until this happens, cryptocurrency is within an uptrend, and the medium-term target is still movement to $50,000. Okay, let's have a look at the chart of Bitcoin for the moment. It's the 19th of January, and Bitcoin opened today at the point 41,213, and now it is trading at 41,394. So we can see that it decreased quite significantly since yesterday. It lost over 1,000 points, and yes, it's in a local downtrend, and yes, according to our Tom's opinion, it can break through the 40,000 level, but still we can expect the resumption of the uptrend further. Well, we will see what's going to happen after the weekend. We will see each other on Monday in our next review and discuss what happened. Well, I wish you to have a nice weekend, have profitable trading, and see you next time. Goodbye.